The possible derivation is stated. The derivative of the function is being taken with respect to x. 2 times x squared e to the power of x is the result. Factor out constants: 2 is a factor of the entire expression. This is equal to 3 times an expression involving d, dx, and x. The expression inside the parentheses is e raised to the power of x, multiplied by x squared. Use the product rule. The derivative of u times v with respect to x is equal to the derivative of v with respect to x times u plus the derivative of u with respect to x times v. Here, u is equal to e to the power of x and v is equal to x squared, so the derivative is equal to 3 times x squared times the derivative of e to the power of x with respect to x plus e to the power of x times the derivative of x squared with respect to x. To find the derivative of e to the power of x, we'll use the chain rule. The derivative of e to the power of u times the derivative of u with respect to x, where u equals x. The derivative of e to the power of u is e to the power of u. The derivative of u with respect to x is 2x. So, the derivative of e to the power of x times 2x equals 3 times e to the power of x times the derivative of x squared plus e to the power of x times the derivative of x. The derivative of x squared is 2x and the derivative of x is 1. So, the final answer is 3 times e to the power of x times 2x plus e to the power of x times 1. The derivative of x is 1. This is equal to the derivative of e to the power of x with respect to x, times x squared, plus e to the power of x times x squared. Use the power rule. The derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x is n times x to the power of n minus 1. For example, the derivative of x squared with respect to x is 2 times x. Similarly, the derivative of e to the power of x times x squared plus 2 times e to the power of x is 3 times e to the power of x times x squared plus 2 times e to the power of x. Simplify the expression. Consider the inner expression. The inner expression is 2 plus x to the power of x. Simplify this inner expression. The answer is blank. It equals 3 to the power of x. This is the same as x times 2 plus x.